What's up guys, today I'm gonna show you best Amazon products in 2023. All Amazon products link in description. You can buy from my link.
Number 1. Whirlpool 20L Solo Microwave Oven Magicook Pro 20AC Black. Brand Whirlpool. Product dimensions 26.2D x 45W x 35H centimeters. Color black. Capacity 20 kilograms. Special feature auto_cook. About this item. 20L capacity with superior powder coated cavity. Solo microwave features, reheating, defrosting and cooking. Brand does not provide starter kit with this product. Warranty: 1-year comprehensive warranty on product and 2 years on magnetron. 21 auto-cook menus and defrost function. Feather touch control with LED display. 5 power levels. Components included: 1 unit microwave, warranty card and user manual. Number 2. Bajaj 1701 metric ton 17L Solo Microwave Oven, white. Size 17 liter. Brand Bajaj. Color white. Oven cooking mode solo. Fuel type electric. About this item. 17L capacity, suitable for bachelors or small families. Solo, can be used for reheating, defrosting and cooking, timer/clock, yes. Warranty: 1 year on product, 1 year on magnetron. Brand does not provide a starter kit with this product. Control: jog dials that are easy to use with a long life. Cooking complete alarm, power consumption, 1200 watts. Power levels: choose between 5 different power levels to cook as per your need. This feature allows you to control the temperature as per the cooking requirement. 30 minutes cooking time alarm. Includes Solo Microwave Oven. Number 3. LG 20L Solo Microwave Oven. Brand LG. Product dimensions 25.2D x 45.5W x 32H centimeters. Color black. Capacity 20 liters. Special feature programmable, auto_cook, control_panel_lock, defrost, interior_light, self-cleaning, timer, turntable programmable, auto_cook, control_panel_lock, defrost, interior_light, self-cleaning, timer, turntable. About this item. 20L capacity, suitable for bachelors and small families. Solo, can be used for reheating, defrosting and cooking, microwave frequency, MHZ 2450. Warranty: 1 year comprehensive warranty on product. Brand